Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be checking out a two-story next-gen home. And if you're not too familiar with what a next-gen home is, pretty much a home inside a home, and I cannot wait to show you guys. And for today's property tour, we are in the community of Landmark at Black Mountain Ranch by Lennar Homes in Henderson. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel, you would like to stay up to date with all the new builds here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Diana. This is a next gen home. And like I mentioned in my intro, it is a next gen home inside of a home. And I cannot wait to show you guys. And also, before we get started, guys, let me show you guys this community, guys. There's a total of actually 8 different model homes here in this community. And not just that, guys, in the Black Mountain Ranch community, there's a total of 6 different communities and a total of 24 different floor plans. You heard that right, 24. So if this one doesn't work out, you got 23 different shots to make it work out. So this one is right here. This is Diana NextGen. So it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It is 2,868 square feet, 2-car garage, and it is priced, starting base price at $614,990. HOA here is 59 bucks a month. Also does have a city lid, guys. Estimated balance of around 11,000. Check it out, guys. So also there's 3 different elevations to pick from. So you're gonna have 3 different looks, guys. So meaning if you don't like this look, 3 different other options for you guys as well. And in this community, just in the Landmark community, there's 3 different floor plans and those 3 different elevations. Also, I know I mentioned that base price of $614,990. I would add about 5 to 8% for your upgrades, and also another couple thousand just for your lot premiums, but it just depends on which lot you go with. So now let's get started. So let's walk around over here. So you got the pavers, 2-car garage. You got like 2 windows right there up above, then other 2 right here. Also, if you're not too familiar with this community is located, it's off the 95 and Horizon in Henderson. So not too far from Boulder City and Green Valley. So if you don't mind kind of being away from the city, definitely a nice community over here. So let's come in here and show you Diana. So really quick, so this one right here is the main entrance, and this one's gonna be the entrance to your next gen. Now it could be a little confusing, especially if you have company that comes. They're really not gonna know probably what door is the right one to ring the doorbell. But what helps me out is this one has a doorbell, and this one has the ring doorbell. So most likely it's gonna be this one. So let's go inside and take a look. All right. Definitely very whitish and grayish when you walk in. I like it. So here off to the right, stairs to go upstairs. Right in front of you when you come in, you have your living room. Then here off to the left, you do have a window. But this is your living room. Also, guys, another keep in mind, guys, with Lennar, as far as upgrades, the only thing you could upgrade and change is gonna be the flooring, your countertops, backsplash, and the color of the cabinets. Other than that, everything you see, guys, it's gonna be pretty standard with your home purchase. So what you see is what you get. Just a variant of different colors, guys. But check it out. Then you have the dining that's right in between the kitchen and the living room area. Quartz countertop, seats about 3 people. You got your refrigerator right there. Stove, microwave, your white cabinets. And on this side you have your dishwasher, stainless steel undermount sink. Then right here is your backyard. I cannot show you guys the backyard because it's locked, but just know you're not gonna get this landscaping, guys. It's just for modeling purposes. What you're gonna get is just a clean slate, just dirt. So just FYI. Okay, so let me show you guys over here before we head upstairs. Can't wait to show you guys that next gen. So here's your pantry, good size. Then here's your powder room. Then that door right there is to your 2-car garage, but we won't be checking out because it is locked. But right here, guys, this is the next gen, guys. So this door right here, you see, obviously there's no door right now, but just know you shut this, pretend to walk in and shut it behind us. Okay, door shut. Now here off to the right, you have a bedroom right here, which they have it staged as an office, but many people are gonna convert this into a bedroom. But tell me in the comments below, what would you convert it to? An office like they have it here, or a bedroom? Then here off to the right, you have a nice sized walk-in closet. Not just that, you're gonna have a stackable hookup for your washer and dryer. And this is great for maybe your parents, your father, mother-in-law, cousins, uncle, whoever, maybe rent it out. It's a good option because let me show you. So you're gonna have your own full bath. So you can have single vanity, toilet, your stand-up shower. Check it out. And then over here, you're gonna have your kitchenette. So you're gonna have a refrigerator, a sink, a microwave, and not just that, guys. Remember when I came in through the front, we were like, what door is which? You're gonna have your own private entrance. And let me show you guys. Let's just walk outside real quick just to show you, give you an idea of what I'm talking about. That was the front door we came in through, right? So you come home, you're gonna come inside through there, come here. You're not gonna go there because that's the main entrance. I'm just gonna go to my side of the house and enjoy it. And it gets even better, guys, because this is actually my first time walking this property. What I've noticed is, man, so maybe I would have that as an office, and this side, maybe that would be my bedroom. This would be like a living room for me. You know, you could put your dining table right here. What would you guys do? How would you guys set it up? I really like it, how you have options, right? Maybe you convert this into your bedroom. The only thing, you're not gonna have that door. So this is more your living room area and your kitchen, or at least your dining area, I would say. Obviously, you don't have a stove with this next gen. You know, obviously per code, not allowed to have 2 kitchens. That's why it doesn't have it. But maybe you could put a barbecue pit right out to the door and have your outdoor kitchen. Always an option, guys. But pretty cool. I mean, here's the bathroom. This is the door. So yeah, technically this would be the bedroom because you have the door and your walk-in closet. Then you can just come in here to the bathroom. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if this is something that would work for you. Also, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell for notifications. Also, guys, as we head upstairs, there's something that I always like to tell people is if you're thinking about purchasing a new build home, and maybe you already have your realtor, or maybe you want to work with maybe someone like me as your realtor, it's super critical that if you're going to come to these new build, guys, bring us with you on that first visit, at least the first visit, and just with new builds, not resales. Because if we don't come, guys, you're gonna miss out on representation. And people always ask me, like, what's the benefit of hiring outside realtor? Good question, guys. So we have an outside relationship from the builder, no interest to the builder. We don't work for them. So therefore, we're out there to look out for you, give you the best and honest advice. And at the end of it, guys, negotiate, guys, the best deal and incentives. Builders, realtors are great, guys, but at the end of the day, they work for the builder. So have your own representation. So here's the loft. I like the 9-foot ceilings up here upstairs. What do you guys think of this loft? I'll show you from here. Really nice. And then right over here, we have a bedroom. Ooh, nice size. I like how they staged it. They put 2 small beds just to show you actually how big this bedroom is. It's really a good size, guys. And then right over here, you have a walk-in closet. So you have that NextGen downstairs, that's one bedroom. So upstairs, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms. Right over there is actually your primary. We'll see that in just a second. Then right here, you have your hallway bathroom, dual vanity. You have the ceramic tile flooring. And then right over here, you have your toilet and your combo tub stand-up shower. Give you guys a view from here. Then right across, you have the laundry room. Washer and dryer are an option to purchase, or have your realtor negotiate that stuff for you guys. Then here's bedroom number 3. Also with a walk-in closet. Very nice, good size too. Okay, okay. I dig it, I dig it. And with the Raiders emblem. I just noticed this is a Raider room. Got the Raiders shirt. Let me know, who is your favorite football team? Are you a Raider fan? Cowboy fan? Niner fan? Green Bay? Definitely love to hear who is your team. Now, let's go check out the primary bedroom, guys. Check it out. Pretty good size in my opinion. Look at that. Plenty of space. Right over here you got your primary bathroom. And here you go. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Let me know in the comments below. And here to the left, toilet. And here we have this nice size walk-in closet. Really nice. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys like, what you don't. Any feedback about this floor plan? Does it fit? Show me the 20 other floor plans. Anything, guys, let me know in the comments below. And again, if there's any questions or anything I can help you guys out with, I'll have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out, guys. I'm here to help you, whether you're looking to buy a new build, resale home, or maybe even investing in real estate or looking to sell. I could definitely assist you with that. Like always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Until next time, guys.